So you just got a new shotgun. What are you looking at now?
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Let's take the shot from Guns and Gambling. So we're at one of our local gun stores here, Mega stores, and we just bought a new shotgun. I'll tell you about that later. So, of course, get a new rifle. You gotta have a bag. You just can't be walking around willy-nilly.
I tell him he's got a bag at home. He says can't put a new shotgun in an old bag.
Yeah, that old raggedy bag. Got holes in it.
So now we're supposed to be looking at ammo.
Yeah, we're gonna go over there here in a minute. But I just had to open it. I've never seen this before.